everybody, this is the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from China that came out of an exotic nudes box. Go to exoticnudes.com, use the coupon code TheRamenator for a discount. This is Sichuan Guangyou quadruple 9 Chongqing instant noodle artificial beef flavor. Okay, you got all that? I hope so. So what comes in here, you get a fork, dry bag, sauce bag, noodle. So you throw everything in, and you like that. There we go. So as I do this, my question is, so I don't know if this is just in the ramen junkies group that I'm the admin of these days, but what's up with this whole putting milk in your instant noodles? I don't get it. It's like, it makes it creamier. No, it makes it milky. And I like milky. I like tonkatsu. But tonkatsu isn't milky because of milk, I'm pretty dang sure. And there's a lot of varieties that are milky from Malaysia that are from non-dairy creamer powders. So I just don't, if you're gonna make something milky, for God's sake, use coconut milk. I don't know. I often go off about the whole idea. It's like, why do people drink cow's milk? That's gross, dude. I used to chug down milk like it was, as my mom would say, going out of style. But oh God, the thought of drinking just like a straight glass of milk just makes me want to vomit. Oh, why would you do that? Chocolate milk? Yeah, maybe, but. And the kids enjoy the milk, but it's just kind of weird. And okay, this one goes for, it says 6 to 8 minutes, so it's going for 7 minutes today. It's kind of a long, instantaneous noodle. Not very instant, but that's okay. We're good. Let's push you over to the side. Yeah. But yeah. Check this guy out. He's stoked. I can't drink any milk, man. I need this instant noodle. He doesn't want the milk. He wants the noodle. But doesn't it seem like it would make more sense? I mean, as children, we start out drinking people milk. We don't anymore, do we? Why is that? Why don't we just stop drinking milk? They tell us to drink milk. Often. Drink them. Oh. Oh! I bent my book. It's a pretty resilient book, though. It doesn't stay bent for long. Let's do a couple quotes out of our hymnal here. This is Momo Fukuendo speaks. Ramenator can't speak. These are quotations by the guy who invented the instant noodle, number 53. Incomplete knowledge keeps you away from the essence of things. Number 54, I do not believe everything the experts like doctors and lawyers tell me. Sometimes a lay conception proves right. Like my foot. They said I had plantar fasciitis in my foot. I was like, so I tried rolling the ball, doing all that stuff. Then I got this thing that looks like a beard, or like a shaver, like a Norelco, you know what I mean? That actually has a little cylinder on it that has sandpaper, and it's for like shaving calluses off your feet. I also got this goopy stuff, which is supposed to be like acid. My feet feel great. And I was in pain. I was in a lot of pain. And I'm not now. I think it worked. So I'm happy with that. And it's really nice out. And my daughter and wife are going to visit her family in California. Me and Miles are going to kick it here and party up. And they're going down there for my wife's grandfather's, so Mimi's great grandfather's 100th birthday, which is pretty rad. Neat guy. That should be fun. And yeah, what else is going on? There's got to be more going on. I don't know, but like a couple weeks after that, Miles will start doing summer school. My whole day is going to change. I'll be able to go walking. This is going to be right here. This is review 3,990. And I'm doing one more today, so I'll be 9 reviews away from hitting 4,000. Although the one that I published today on the site was 3,864. So I'm way ahead. So what I'm gonna do once I hit 4,000, I don't know. But I'm gonna have all this extra time. I'm gonna have just time with just me and Mimi. He's gonna have all day summer school. He's gonna love that. It's gonna be really good. But yeah, he'll actually like that. Yeah, I'm gonna ratchet it way back on my reviewing and like spend more time walking, getting out in the sun. I can't let summer go by without spending as much time outside as I possibly humanly can. It drives me nuts to be inside on a day like this. It's crazy. I was out this morning from what, like 4:30 to 7 a.m. It's not the same, but that sunshine, I can't get enough of it. Everybody loves the sunshine, you know. Just not just bees and things and flowers. Everybody gets brown in the sunshine. So I mean, I like it. I like it a lot. And yeah, I'm running low on ramen to review too. That's not happy about that. Very hard because it's like once Canada opens back up. You have anything to declare? Oh no. We didn't get anything up there. We just went to the park. Come back with like a suitcase full of freaking instant noodles. No, they usually look at it. Last time we were up there, they confiscated a whole bunch of noodles. It was lame. It was really lame. Luckily, they're not expensive. But they have no sense of humor, and they don't give a crap what you're about. And if they can charge you, they will. And they charged, what was it? Well, is it a business? Well, no. Do you make money off of it? Well, a little. Well, so basically, you are buying things to make money with. Well, actually, I eat them. I really don't. I eat some of them. Okay, well, we have they charged us an international truck crossing border fee thing like we were transporting stuff for business, like an import. Like 13 bucks. It was stupid. It's like, and they confident, oh, this one says spaghetti on it. They sell it here too. But actually, if I realized, actually this is from America. It's imported into Canada. I didn't realize. I just can't get it where I'm at. She was not having any sense of humor. That's for damn sure. Cranky lady. But you know, I'm sure they have to deal with a lot of crap, so. But be nice to the nice guys. I was nice. I was compliant. They sure know how to make you feel like a criminal. And if you're one of those people who likes to pull the whole, why are you pulling me over? Why are you pulling me over? I'm a citizen of the United States. Don't do that at the border. You may be a sovereign citizen of the border, but that's a national border. You don't, no, you don't do that. Chongqing, kind of a wider noodle. I think these are like wheat and potato starch. And I'm guessing they're gonna be like molten lava. Super hot. Artificial beef flavor, but it's Sichuan Guangyou, so it's gonna be like, have some peppercorn in it. I can totally smell it. Yeah, that's pretty strong. Broth. Look how that broth like kind of settles around too. Isn't that weird? That oil just sits on top. Miles is having a good day. Let's see what we can do with these. I like that, it's pretty good. Alright. That is greasy, ladies and gentlemen. Holy moly. Well, you know what you need if it's going to be greasy, you need some Chinese sausage. That is a win. So sequestered in the western wing. Wow, this egg is so soft boiled. I mean, look at that. This thing is just gonna like explode. Kind of leery of this thing, to be honest. Try this. Let me try this. Didn't go as I'd hoped, but I think that's about as good as I could pull off with this thing. I mean, it's like really goop central here. And we're gonna add some spring onion. God, look at that though. It's just like all the oil wants to like run away. Run away! Oh, and that's freaking hot. One moment. Wow. That was insanity, ladies and gentlemen. Freaking insanity. What a mess. I mean, it looks nice, but it's kind of like, whoa. It didn't hose my shirt. It kind of hosed the bowl a little bit, so I gotta... The bowl's really a little small for what we got here. But it'll work out. do that when I'm taking my glamour shots because I want that to look a little more. Whoa there, cha-cha. There you go. Rotato, rotate. Wow. Well, hey, so, gonna do this up. Mukbang next time. I haven't had this one before. Bulldog kimchi from South Korea. From Samyang Foods of South Korea. Yeah. Exotic nudes. This one, the last one, and the next one. So go over there, go to exoticnudes.com, use that coupon code, the Ramen Raider, for a discount, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a good one, and bye-bye.
Tear your face off, rock.
Halloween Havoc.
From the angel's trumpets to your ears.
Smooth jazz. This ain't your papa's rock and roll. Gospel classics.
Crank it till your ears bleed.
Join us for classical days and jazzy nights.